Truth is constant, unchanging, and universal. Truth is not moved by opinions, preferences, or ideals. True principles are as important for creating favorable outcome in ethics and law as they are in making all manner and complexity of devices work reliably around the world. Truth can make peace and freedom a lasting and unprecedented experience for the entire world, if true principles are upheld. Truth is capable of turning feuds and famines into civilizations bursting with prosperity and innovation. Truth brought indoor plumbing, lighting, heating, and cooling. Truth brought dishwashers, microwaves, automobiles, and smartphones. It is not a wise or rational process of making laws to have opinions and preferences become law, as those are separate from truth. One-sided ideals and preferences are not fitting for becoming law. Law must coincide with truth, not preferences, if it is to deliver results that are universally favorable. Imagine an architectural engineer designing a building, and imagine that they don't want the laws of physics limiting their design under the given budget. Imagine if engineers and scientists around the world stopped caring about laws of math and physics, and started turning in plans and research that was absolutely fantastical and imaginative, but without any of it factoring in the vast wealth of knowledge gained by pioneers of truth discovery over the last 10 millennia. Imagine how life would be if products started to be sold without any regards for material specifications of handling temperatures, pressure, voltage, torque, abrasion, or countless other conditions. Imagine if other industries behaved like our current legal industry, where democracy was used to design equipment and machinery of all kinds. Imagine if vast hordes of masses who have not learned the applicable truth are the only designers of a complex system, and they commence to submit their preferences on how it should be designed. Civilization is a complex system that can run smoothly and peacefully forever if true principles are applied instead of preferences and ideals. It is very helpful to look at civilization as a complex system, the planning, repair, and modification of which should be done using true principles, because a complex system is not something that is best left to the trending preferences or ideals of biased and confused beings. If a telecommunications network, or a power grid, were to go down, we would not put it up to vote on how to fix it, because true principles already dictate what must be done. Civilization is a complex system, and is generally prone to fall into collapse, begging a remake, as history abundantly shows. A nation collapses and people rebuild it, using the same old ideals and traditions, which are different than true principles. To solve problems, rather than perpetuate them, true principles must be applied, not ideals and traditions of the going culture. Culture, traditions, societal norms, religious or secular ideals, preferences, opinions, fantasies, hopes, dreams, ambitions, notions, beliefs, and the like, are no substitute for truth. Truth can make an environment wherein all can have what they choose, so long as it does not harm or hinder others. Truth can liberate the world, but preferences and traditions generally cannot, as often preferences and traditions deviate from truth.